Hi guys, I'm inside my Newmar 2014 3124, and as many of you in pretty nice looking motorhomes end up with these sink covers. And although they do expand the countertop space quite a bit, I always found them kind of cumbersome and heavy, and they're always in the way. So take a look. You guys know you probably have to find a spot to store them, pull them out, and get access to the sink area. And then you got to find some place to put these things. So I decided to try something a little different, and I took a cutting board we had in the house. Check this out. So I took the pattern, or I used those tiles as a pattern for my cutting board. So I rounded the edges to fit right into the sink spot, and I did it on both sides. So you can actually take this cutting board, slide it back from side to side. So then you still have an operating sink as well as a cutting surface. That cutting board lifts right out. You can use it as a tray or to carry things in and out. And now you still always have a sink available. So we no longer even use those cutouts that came with the motorhome. We've been really happy with this cutting board surface, and as you can see, it just fits in just right. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know. Thanks, bye.